Mastering tag questions with do. Hello, language learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into the realm of conversational English. Our specific focus? Tag questions with do. Tag questions are a fantastic way to engage in a conversation and confirm your understanding. By the end of this video, you'll have a firm grasp of how to use do in tag questions. Ready? Let's get started. Firstly, what are tag questions? Tag questions are small questions added at the end of a sentence, often to verify something. They usually consist of an auxiliary verb and a pronoun. For example, you're coming to the party, aren't you? But what happens when we don't have an auxiliary verb in the sentence? That's where do comes in. When the main part of the sentence doesn't contain an auxiliary verb, we use do, does, or did in our tag question. The choice between these depends on the tense and subject of our sentence. If the sentence is in the present tense, we use do or does. If it is in the past tense, we use did. For example, you live in New York, don't you? She likes coffee, doesn't she? They went to the cinema, didn't they? Note that when the main sentence is positive, the tag question is negative. And when the main sentence is negative, the tag question becomes positive. You don't like broccoli, do you? She didn't go to the concert, did she? The key to using do in tag questions correctly is to match the tense and subject in the main part of the sentence. 1. If the sentence is in the present tense, use do with I, you, we, and they. Use does with he, she, and it. 2. If the sentence is in the past tense, regardless of the subject, always use did. Some examples. I love this song, don't I? You don't enjoy sports, do you? He works at the bank, doesn't he? She doesn't play the piano, does she? We went to the beach, didn't we? They didn't study for the test, did they? And that wraps up our discussion on using do in tag questions. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these structures, the more natural they'll become. Thank you for joining us in this lesson, and we hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.